CreditFixNow Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of CreditFixNow, a service designed to help individuals repair their credit and take control of their financial future. If you want to learn more about this service, links are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll highlight its features, explain who it's best suited for, and share insights to help you decide if it's right for you. CreditFixNow specializes in providing a fast and effective way to address errors and inaccuracies on your credit report. Their process begins with a detailed credit analysis, identifying issues such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, and other negative items that could be dragging your score down. The team at CreditFixNow works directly with the credit bureaus and creditors to dispute and resolve these inaccuracies, ensuring your credit report reflects accurate information. This service is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with low credit scores due to reporting errors or those struggling to secure loans, mortgages, or credit cards because of past financial challenges. If you've tried managing disputes on your own but found the process overwhelming or ineffective, CreditFixNow offers expert guidance and support to streamline the process. One of the standout features of CreditFixNow is its commitment to transparency and personalized service. Each client receives a customized credit repair plan tailored to their specific needs. You'll have access to regular progress updates, so you're always informed about the status of your disputes and any improvements in your credit score. In addition to dispute management, CreditFixNow provides actionable tips and resources to help you improve your credit long-term. They educate clients on critical aspects of credit management, like keeping credit utilization low, avoiding unnecessary hard inquiries, and building positive credit history over time. Affordable pricing options make CreditFixNow accessible to a wide range of budgets, ensuring you get high-quality service without overspending. Whether you're looking to recover from financial setbacks or simply want to optimize your credit score, CreditFixNow is a reliable partner. In conclusion, CreditFixNow offers a straightforward and effective approach to credit repair, combining expert support with long-term credit-building advice. If you're ready to fix your credit and achieve your financial goals, check out the links in the description to get started today.